Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make and use the Dew Reaper in Dune Awakening. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So basically the first thing you need to do, I'm going to click on Y on my keyboard as you can see, and then what you're going to do in here is to research the Dew Reaper MK2 if you haven't done so already. And you should also, if I click on water symbol right here, I think it is, yeah, you need to also research liturgy on just so you know we need to make both of these ones. And now I'm just going to run to my fabricator, oh sorry, then click on E here, and then click on the water symbol. You need to make a liturgy as you can see, which cost 14 copper ingots and 2 micro sandwiches. And Dew Reaper, it cost us quite a lot as you can see, but when you have actually fabricated it and like you made it basically, then you can click on Y on your keyboard once again, click on inventory, and make sure that you now equip it actually the Dew Reaper MK2 right here. So if you don't actually have it already equipped, I'm going to show you, just drag it here as an example. So now you should be able to have it as your hotkeys here. So equip it, run and find some flowers to harvest. So I'm just going to take this one as an example, as you can see. So we're going to harvest this. Now we're going to harvest this one as well. And you can just walk around here until your litter john is basically full, I guess. And yeah, that is as you can see, I've already now like stored enough. So basically this is exactly how to do this.